Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Today, I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
12 biggest hacks in crypto exchange history. Cryptocurrency is seen as the technology of the future, happening today, and its growing recognition has seen it adopted by over 300 million people worldwide. What's more is that cryptocurrency is designed to be transferred electronically and securely, with the blockchains recording all transactions made, thereby reducing opportunities for fraud. However, that expectation has not quite been the case in the reality. Cryptocurrency exchange hack have been a consistent thorn in the side of both investors and exchanges. Indeed, even despite the measures employed by exchanges to protect their assets, experienced attackers have still managed to find their way around them and breach platform security walls. It is also important to keep in mind that exchanges are frequently targeted due to their tendency to have open source code libraries. A great many hacks have occurred in crypto's brief history. Oh my god. Often leaving investor literally in tears. The most vexing part for exchanges is that such hackers are never satisfied and continue to attempt to hack even the most seemingly secure systems, often taking it as a challenge. With that in mind, one begins to wonder just how many crypto hacks have happened and how much has been stolen in the process. While we can cover them all. Let's take a gender at the 12 biggest hacks in crypto exchange history. 12 Binance, $40 million stolen. Let's start with Binance, one of the biggest names in the business. In May 2019, the exchange was hit with a major security incident in which hackers withdrew over 7,000 Bitcoin from its hot wallet. The exchange total losses amount to an approximate $40 million as the attackers broke through the exchange security system, obtaining key information sets including two-factor authentication codes, APIs, and other data. The hackers were said to have used a variety of techniques to perforate the attack, including phishing, injecting viruses, and more. Ultimately, the exchange claimed that its secure asset fund for user (SAFU) covers all losses. 11. Upbeat $45 million stolen. The Upbeat cryptocurrency exchange was founded in 2017 in South Korea and quickly became the world's largest crypto exchange in terms of daily transaction in 2018, making Upbeat a mammoth in the crypto industry. However, in November 2019, the exchange was hit by a terrorist cyber attack. In the event, hackers broke into the exchange, stealing over $45 million in a single transaction. Following the hack, the platforms transferred all holdings from its hot wallets to more highly secure cold wallets. In 2020, Upbit updated its Ethereum wallet security system and introduced new addresses for deposits. A few months later, the U.S. Department of Justice managed to identify two Chinese nationals who had allegedly allegedly carried out the attack. 10. Zape, $60 million stolen. Zape has earned the title of being the oldest crypto exchanges in Japan. In 2018, hackers targeted Zape, stealing masses of cryptocurrency to the tune of $60 million at a time. The hackers siphon Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Monacoin from Zip's hot wallets, crypto wallets, which have lighter security measures in place, allowing them to be used for immediate transactions. While much of the stolen funds belonged to Drape's users, the exchange itself was also left out of the pocket, as 32% of the cryptocurrencies taken came from its reserves. The company refunded its customers immediately, even taking out loans to ensure it could meet an obligation. Bad girl, though, $130 million stolen. At the tail end of the 2021, Targetty struck Badger DAO.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.